Hello, my name is Ahmad Huzaifa. This is me just showcasing the calculator that I programmed. So, this is an overview of it. Here, I imported the scanner. This is my class. Uh, I'm initializing the scanner. Here, I'm creating the variables. As you see, we have doubles. In case the numbers turns out to be decimal, and then we have integers, and then we have a string in case the user selects Y, that's in a while. That's bottom down. But okay, this is the main code. So while this is for at the end in case they picked that they want to redo it, we have Y. So putting everything in while loop, we can start ahead and go enter the calculator in scientific or standard mode. We see that this is also a point in the rubric. So if you just run it, great, it came out. Enter calculator, scientific or standard. Going here, let's go ahead and pick standard. Great. So it's telling us that it will be in standard mode. Um, Now it's asking us to see what sorry, what if we want multiplication, addition, subtraction, or division. So we see that we have the code here for that. So this is where we are right now. Um, so if it picks addition, it's gonna carry out this code. If you pick subtraction, it's gonna carry this code. If you pick multiplication, it's gonna carry out this code. If you pick division, it's gonna carry out this code. So let's go ahead and do some testing. 8 points prompts users to enter number of values they wish. Um, so first let's see. I want to add. Great. How many numbers do I want to add? I'm gonna keep it simple. I just want to add 3 numbers. Let's enter my 3 numbers. I'm gonna select 5, 6, and 7. Great. So it gave me my result. We see that it did come out in a decimal because we did do it as a double. This is because um if you do select decimal points, which you can, let's not do addition this time. Let's do subtract. Let's do multiplication. I want to add multiply 5 numbers. 1.4, 1.5, 2, 9.7, 4.2. One more. 3.5. Great. We see that the multiplication also works. Um, and then we see that the start over is continuous to come on. So that carries this one, that comes over this one. So let's start again. Let's plug Y. Let's go down. Let's choose scientific. Let's see what's the difference between scientific. So if you chose scientific, um, it'll be the same thing, but as you see, it's just the same code written over for the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, and the division. But now we also have the sine, cosine, and tangent code also. So let's go ahead and do that. I want to do scientific. Great. So it gives out the input that will do sine, cosine, and tangent or tan of x. Great. So let's do sine of 45. And we see that it does give us the result. That's great. Let's see what happens if we don't want to start over. Let's press no. And for no, we see that it will print out the code goodbye, which is right here. We see that the while loop does start because of this, the choice and scanner next, which is activating this. Um, let's do some. I don't think we did division yet, so let's just run the code again because we did technically in the calculator. Um, let's do a standard. I'm not gonna do any more tangent. I'm sorry. Other than that, let's select division. Sorry. Oh, I selected subtraction. All right, that's fine. I don't think we did subtraction yet either. Great. I want to subtract six numbers. Let's just go ahead, pick some random numbers from the keyboard. Great. So looks like everything did come up. So that code was running this because we did select subtraction. I want to start over. Let's do one more division. Standard division. I want to divide three numbers, 2, 4, and 6. Gives us ongoing decimal point. Let's see what happens if you don't select standard or scientific. Let's see we select none. It's gonna happen. So it's gonna run the loop over because we did not select either one of or scientific or standard. Let's see what happens. Like in case you don't select YUN, it will just say goodbye. Um, we can do one more scientific one. Why not? So let's do 10. Yeah, scientific. Oh, scientific. Let's okay. I want to do 10, 10 for 10 of X. Sorry. We see that code is running right here. We see that we are using also the math method. So do we select 10? Yes, we did. So 10 of 45. I guess you can't do 10 of 45. Great. 45. Okay, so we have to select the number first, then 10. And we see that it does give us the result. So that's good. Besides that, I think we ran over sorry, that's the zone. Okay, let's also do just random, just normal things in scientific mode. Um, scientific, scientific. Let's do multiplication, scientific mode, two numbers, 4 and 8. So that does great. It prints out the result. We did sine, cosine, and tangent. Just I don't think I did cosine. Let's do cosine really quick. Remember, we have to put in the number first. So 90 degrees of cosine. Oh, we don't have to, we just put the number in. We don't have to put cosine or whatever. So great, that's 90 degrees of cosine. Um, let's do an invalid operator. So invalid operator, I'm assuming is like you don't select multiplication, division, or addition. So let's put a quotation mark. Great. So we do get the invalid operator. Um, we did this. We did this. It does start over, and it does exit, as we've seen before. The goodbye. The goodbye. We should do it again one more time. 2, 9, 7. I do not wish to start over, and goodbye. Um, hopefully this is 3 minutes. But yep. Yeah. So once again, this is Ahmad Huzaifa. This is my calculator. All right, thank you.